Have you ever wondered how to look stylish while maintaining modesty? Modest style isn't just about being covered, it's an expression of your unique personality and comfort. It's a fashion statement in its own right. Let's unravel the secrets of modest fashion together. Our journey begins with understanding what modest fashion truly means. It's more than just a style or a trend, it's a lifestyle that embraces the beauty of simplicity and comfort. Let's start by exploring the key elements that define modest fashion. The first is loose clothing. This doesn't mean baggy or ill-fitted, but rather clothes that gently flow around your body, giving you both comfort and elegance. Think of a breezy maxi dress or a well-tailored wide-leg pant. Next, we have covered arms and legs. This is often achieved through long-sleeve tops, full-length pants or skirts, and even layering pieces. There's a certain grace that comes with this level of coverage, a timeless charm that transcends fleeting fashion trends. Lastly, we have minimalistic designs. Modest fashion tends to shy away from loud prints or excessive embellishments. Instead, it leans towards solid colors, simple patterns, and clean lines. This minimalist approach allows your personality to shine through, making the outfit truly yours. Now let's talk about some modest outfit ideas. How about a chic turtleneck paired with a high-waisted skirt, or a loose jumpsuit with a stylish blazer? The combinations are endless, and the best part is they are all fashionable and comfortable. Remember, modest fashion isn't about hiding yourself, but rather about showcasing your style in a way that respects your personal values. Enjoyed exploring the world of modest fashion with us? We'd love to see your take on these outfit ideas, so do share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to PrestigeStyleHub for more fashion inspiration. Keep expressing yourself through your style, and remember, modesty never goes out of fashion.